here's a Gulf Coast Riviera with the arbor blades. Oh, static shock. The Riviera, Gulf Coast Riviera II with the arbor blades. Pretty cool. Pretty cool fan, if you ask me. And these blades are heavy too, so they do kind of put a little drag on it. But it is pretty cool with the arbor blades, and it does perform very well, even though it's got some arbor blades to it. And it even still is blowing a lot of air, even with the arbor blades. Pretty cool. That's high. That's off.